There you go, my little chef. Perfect fit. I'm a professional chef now. Gently now, just a slow, steady stream. That's it. Wow, I did it!
One, two, three, stir. 1, 2, 3, stir.
Go, Bumbly, go! Hooray! Flip it good!
Yeah!
This honey is perfect.
It looks amazing! Hooray! We did it! Yay! Hooray! It's perfect!
You got honey everywhere.
Oh my, look at those full bellies. Are you ready for napkins?
We are stuffed.
There's still batter left. Who wants to make more pancakes?
Feel the rhythm in the kitchen, dancing to the beat, cooking up some happiness, oh so sweet.
Oh, what a joy it is to bake, dancing now for goodness sake, with pancakes high in flour, with a pinch of magic and a spoonful of cheer, we made the best memories right here.